Morning everyone, this is Trishika from Team Logic Lots. Today we are going to replicate the Wynk's landing page. This is the Wynk's landing page. We are going to replicate this page. For that, first of all, create a folder and open it in the Visual Studio Code. And create HTML and style CSS files. And I have created the folder assets for the images. Now in HTML, write a basic HTML code where we have meta tags and we have linked the CSS file to the HTML file, and we have linked font awesome website for generating icons. Next we'll come to the body part. This is the body part where it contains header section. Header is divided into different divisions. One is top section and search bar and user options. In top section we have logo, and this is the image of logo. And in second division we have search bar, where we have created form for searching songs and we have created icon for search. And next division is user, where we have created login bar and we have linked the icon for user. Next we have menu section. This is a menu class, menu division, where we have created navigation bar, and the UL is nothing but unordered list. This is the navigation bar. Next division is for song slide. This is division for song slide, where we have different images related to songs. Next division is for recently played list. And we have linked different images related to it, and this is the header section. We'll next go into the main section. This is the main section where we have headings like best way to listen music, and we have another headings, and we have created a button for downloading the app. Next is footer section. In footer section we have two divisions for footer links, and one is for social icons. We have linked social icons from the Font Awesome website. Now we'll check the output. This is the output we got for the HTML code. Now we will style this page using CSS. This indicates for entire page. We have given padding as 0 and border as margin as 0, as you can see, and box sizing as border box. And this is for body section. We have given width as 100% and height as 100 VH, and body color is black, and font family is Roboto Sans. Next for header section. So header section we have given background colors as you can see here, and padding as 20 px. And top section display as flex and justify content space between, align item center, and border bottom is 1 px, like you can see here, and color as next we have styling the logo. This is the code for styling the logo. As you can see, display we have given as flex and align items as center. This is width is what we given the image width as 40 px and height as 40 px, and margin right as 10 px, and heading font size as 24px and color as white. Next, we have to style the user options. User option is nothing but this one. We have given color as white and font size as 14px, margin right is 10px. And for icon, color is white and font size is 18px. Next, for search. This is for search, as you can see. Display we have given as flex and align items is center. Background color as black. Padding as 18px and 12px. Now for form, we have given display as flex and align items as center. And for icon, background color as white and size as 16px. And for input, border is none and outline none. We have given background color as transparent, as you can see. Next, we are styling the menu bar. As you can see, the menu bar. Margin top is 20px, as you can see. And the list, styling the list. We have given the display as flex and margin right as 25px. The color is white and text decoration is none. And we have given hover effect for it. In transition is nothing but when the color changes in 0.3 seconds. And the color we have given as orange. When we hover over it, the color changes to orange. And next, we'll try to style this one slide. This is the song slide, as you can see. We have given width as 100% and height as 300px. Overflow is hidden and position is relative. This is the image container where are all the images. And we have used animation effect for sliding the images. For every 20 seconds, it slides. The sliding starts, and it continues infinite times. And this is the basic code, like with 20% height 100%. And we have given hovering effect, like you can see. Z index is nothing but zoom index. We have given us 2, as you can see, it gets zoomed. Now we are going to give this animation of like sliding effect. This is we have used keyframes animations for sliding effect. So these are the transformations for every 1 second. Like for 1 second there is 0% transformation, and for 2 seconds 4%, and if for 3 seconds it is 5%. So on up to 20 seconds it is 50%. Translate X is nothing but the amount, the percentage of the image that moves back. So this is the code for the sliding effect. Now we'll move on to the next. This is styling for the recently played, as you can see. We have given margin top as 10px, padding as 10px, background color is this one, and the heading we have given as inline, and font size as 20px. This is the image container where all the images are. We have given display as flex, and we have given over effect, transform as 1.3 scale, and z index is 2. And this is basic. Next, for the main section where we have headings. So this is code for heading 1, where you text align as center and font size as 20 px, as you can see. And for second heading, we have given color white and font size as 15 px. Align items as center, justify content as center. Same for the H3 also. Coming to the next one, for the box is nothing but for the button. We have given display as flex, as you can see, and width as 100 px, height as 20 px, and border radius is 20 px, as you can see there is a curve here, and background color is red, and font color is white. And now we have given hover effect. When we hover over it, it turns into black color. Now we'll style the footer section. This is the footer section, as you can see. Background color is black and padding as 20 px. Display is flat, as you can see. Horizontal. Justify content is space between. And we have given for the font links as white and font size is 15 px. Decoration is none. And the links we have given a hover effect. When we hover it, the color changes to orange. For social icons, now decorating the social icons, you can see color is white and font size is 20 px. Margin left is 10 px. Text decoration is none. And we have given hover effect. The color changes to orange. You can give any color as you wish here. Have given orange. Now let's see the output. This is the overall code. This is the HTML code. This is the CSS code. So this is the output. We have given form here and the login section. And we have given, this is the navigation bar where we have given hovering effect. And this is the sliding, we have given event sliding animation. And we have given hovering effect over the slides. We've also given the hovering effect over these slides. And this is the button, we have given hovering effect over here and also here, and also for social icons. So this is the Wynk's landing page.